Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the Essential Toolkit. The Essential Toolkit comes with a great variety of tools for working with clay. The needle tool is perfect for bead piercing and for hole poking. You get 2 texture wheels with the interchangeable handle. This one is the rope and the vine, and they work really easily on sheets of clay to make deeply textured areas. This is a little terrazzo sheet that I made, and it's got raised surfaces of the little bumps, and the rolling tool is just perfect for leveling and for creating sheets that are perfectly flat. Next is a set of different basic tools. These come in really handy for techniques like mokume gane. The knife tool is great for making radiating marks, and the other end has a scoop on it, which makes a really neat little texture. There's a 6mm ball tool, and on the other end is a clay shaper. This is what I call the blunt point tool. It's great for stabbing little holes and also for making deeper lines. When your slab is all done, you take your sharp blade, your clay blade, and just cut through to remove the surface of the clay and see the pattern underneath. The Essential Toolkit is perfect for all kinds of projects, from jewelry making to home decor.